Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here you are looking with me on 2004 RAV4. This one has a automatic transmission and I can't wait as a part of my inspection to go and check the quality and quantity of that automatic transmission fluid. This 2004 RAV4 should have a Type 4 automatic transmission fluid inside, and this is the way I will go ahead and check it. And we are very lucky here, right? That inspection is simple because this is one of those transmissions which still had the dipstick. The dipstick is nicely located right here in the big opening. So I'm grabbing the dipstick and pulling it out of the dipstick tube. Right? And I have to say I strongly disagree with this notice. It says no need to replace ATF under normal driving condition. See owner's manual when replacing. I can see that even under normal driving conditions, the fluid is contaminated and getting bad already after like 60,000 miles. This vehicle has a 160, so we will go and see in which condition and how much fluid we have. Now, how much fluid is here? Here is the cold. Hopefully you can see these two notches. So when the tranny's fluid is cold, it needs to be there, and up here it's when it's hot, right? Again, between these two notches, and you are using this dipstick. To check the quality of the fluid, I will put the dipstick back, right? The engine doesn't have to be running, right? I'm pulling it out, and I will be closely observing the quality of the fluid. This fluid stinks bad. I can immediately smell it's burnt, right? You really can smell the difference between the new one and the old one. It's dark brown in the color, right? Look at his finger right here. It's brown instead of light red color. So I immediately know that so far this is becoming my highest priority in maintaining this vehicle. The power steering fluid reservoir has a black residue, okay, but transmission, right, replacement in the case you run too old oil in it and burn the servos or something, clutches, transmission replacement costs way more than replacing power steering pump. So this is for me immediate, right, decision. This service needs to be performed ASAP. And if you want to check the level, right, of the fluid, the ideally is doing it when the transmission fluid is hot. That means after you were driving the car, right? Then with the engine running and it's in the park and with the fully press the brake for a safety, right? On the level surface, like here, when it's running, carefully without touching anything else, you pull the dipstick, wipe it off, and then again reinsert, and you are looking for that level, right? And that level needs to be, right, in the case cold, on the bottom, between these bottom marks, and in the case of full, on the top marks. I know it was, when it came here, it was shifting good and should be in good level. What I know, I have to replace that fluid, so I don't care about this right now. This is the really important thing, and I hope I will have time to film it for you. And even a simple drain and refill will be very helpful for something like this, right? We know you need a Type 4, right? Original Toyota transmission fluid Type 4. And when you do drain and refill, it needs 3.7 quarts of the fluid. I hope you find this video about this RAV4 helpful, and please make sure you are subscribed, because I'm pretty sure the owner will approve this service, and in this case I will try to film it for you. Thanks for watching today and have a wonderful day, my friend.